What if the real key to rebuilding muscle after 60 wasn't found in expensive supplements, protein powders, or even eggs, but in simple vegetables you've been overlooking your entire life? There's a quiet truth about nutrition that many people never hear. As we age, muscle loss is not just about getting older. It's about what your body is missing every single day. Hidden inside common vegetables are powerful plant-based proteins and nutrients that can help stimulate muscle repair, restore lost strength, and even support brain function over time. These are not rare superfoods or trendy products. They are familiar foods, sitting on your table, often ignored for what they truly offer. And here's what may surprise you most. One of these vegetables doesn't just compare to eggs in protein support. It may go even further in helping your body stay strong and resilient. Imagine feeling lighter when you walk, more stable on your feet, and less fatigued at the end of the day. That is what the right nutrition can begin to unlock. Make sure you stay until the very end, because the number one vegetable on this list could completely change how you support your muscles after 60. Before we begin, tell me, how old are you, where are you watching from, and how has your health been lately? I read every comment, and I'd truly like to hear your story. Now, let's begin. 1. Okra may look like a simple green pod, but it carries a quiet strength that many people underestimate. While 1 cup of cooked okra provides around 2 grams of protein, its true benefit lies in how it helps your body use protein more efficiently from everything you eat. Its natural soluble fiber and gel-like texture helps soothe the digestive system and improve nutrient absorption. Because here's something most people don't realize. Protein only helps if your body can properly absorb it. At the same time, okra is rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, one of the hidden causes of muscle breakdown over time. Its magnesium and potassium also support proper muscle contraction, helping prevent cramps and reduce that heavy, tired feeling in the legs. For many seniors dealing with fatigue or nighttime discomfort, this can make a noticeable difference. And the best part? It's easy to prepare. You can stew it, roast it, or add it to soups. A simple food, but a powerful ally for digestion, strength, and daily comfort. 2. Asparagus. Asparagus may seem like just another green vegetable, but it plays a powerful role in keeping your body coordinated and energized. A cup of cooked asparagus provides around 2 to 3 grams of protein, along with choline, a nutrient that helps maintain strong communication between your brain and muscles. When this connection weakens, movements can feel slower, less stable, and less controlled. Asparagus helps support that connection, keeping your steps steady and your movements more confident. It also delivers folate and vitamin E, which help repair cells and improve circulation. This allows more oxygen to reach your muscles, reducing fatigue and helping you recover faster after activity. And if you deal with swelling in your legs or ankles, asparagus has a gentle, natural effect that helps your body release excess fluid without draining essential minerals. With its high levels of glutathione, one of the body's most important antioxidants, asparagus also helps protect your muscles from long-term damage. Simple to cook, easy to enjoy, and quietly powerful. 3. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts may be small, but their impact on your body is anything but small. 1 cup of cooked Brussels sprouts provides around 4 grams of protein. But what truly sets them apart is their ability to support collagen production. Collagen is essential for keeping muscles, joints, and tendons flexible and strong. Without it, movement becomes stiff, recovery slows down, and the risk of injury increases. They also contain natural compounds that help reduce chronic inflammation, one of the biggest hidden threats to muscle strength as we age. At the same time, their vitamin K content supports bone strength and improves communication between nerves and muscles. This means better balance, stronger coordination, and a lower risk of falls. You can roast them until crispy, sauté them with garlic, or pair them with healthy fats like walnuts. Small, simple, and incredibly effective. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli might seem ordinary, but it is one of the most protective vegetables you can include in your diet. With about 3 grams of protein per serving, its real strength comes from a compound called sulforaphane, which helps reduce long-term inflammation that weakens muscles over time. By protecting your muscle tissue, broccoli helps your body recover faster and stay more flexible. It also provides vitamin C for collagen support, vitamin K for bone health, and fiber to stabilize blood sugar and improve digestion. This means your entire body becomes more efficient at using the nutrients you consume. Steam it, roast it, stir-fry it, or blend it into soups. A simple vegetable that works behind the scenes to keep your body strong. 5. Kale has earned its reputation as one of the most powerful greens for a reason. While a cup of raw kale provides around 4 grams of protein, its real value comes from how it protects your muscles, bones, and overall energy as you age. It is especially rich in vitamin K, which helps direct calcium to the right places in your body, supporting both bone strength and muscle function. Without this balance, stiffness and instability can begin to appear. Kale also delivers vitamin C, which supports collagen production. This is essential for keeping muscles and tendons flexible, reducing the risk of injury and improving recovery. Another hidden advantage is its content of alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from damage and reduces fatigue over time. Combined with magnesium, calcium, and potassium, kale helps prevent cramps, improves coordination, and reduces that heavy feeling in the legs. Even if its taste feels strong at first, it can be softened easily. Massage it with olive oil for salads, sauté it for a milder texture, or blend it into smoothies. Every serving becomes a quiet investment in long-term strength and stability. 6. Spinach. Spinach may not stand out for its protein alone, but what it does for your body goes far beyond the numbers. A 100-gram serving provides around 3 to 5 grams of protein, along with magnesium, a key mineral that allows your muscles to contract and relax properly. Without enough magnesium, cramps, weakness, and slow recovery become more common. Spinach helps restore that balance, making movement feel smoother and less exhausting. It also contains natural nitrates that improve circulation, allowing more oxygen to reach your muscles. This can increase endurance and help you stay active longer without feeling drained. Its antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, help reduce inflammation that slowly damages muscle tissue over time. Easy to add to almost any meal, spinach works quietly in the background, helping everything else in your diet perform better. 7. Mushrooms. Mushrooms may look simple, but they are surprisingly powerful when it comes to muscle support and recovery. A 100-gram serving provides around 3 to 5 grams of protein, and once cooked, that protein becomes even easier for your body to absorb and use. But what really makes mushrooms special is what comes with that protein. They are rich in B vitamins, which help convert food into steady energy, and selenium, which protects muscle cells from oxidative stress. They also contain unique compounds like ergothioneine and beta-glucans, which help reduce low-grade inflammation. This type of inflammation is one of the hidden causes of fatigue, joint discomfort, and gradual muscle loss. Supporting your muscles is not just about strength. It is also about protecting them from damage. Mushrooms can be sautéed, roasted, or added to soups and eggs, making them one of the easiest and most versatile foods to include in your routine. 8. Green peas. Green peas are one of the most underrated sources of plant protein you can eat. A single cup of cooked peas provides close to 8 grams of protein, making them one of the strongest options on this list. They are also rich in leucine, an essential amino acid that acts as a signal for your body to start repairing and rebuilding muscle. This is especially important after 60 because your muscles become less responsive to protein over time. Peas help wake them up again. In addition, their fiber content helps regulate blood sugar and improve digestion, allowing your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently. They also provide vitamin K and folate, which support circulation, bone strength, and joint flexibility. Simple, gentle on the stomach, and highly effective. Peas prove that even the most familiar foods can deliver powerful results. 9. Moringa. Moringa is often called the miracle tree, and once you understand why, it's easy to see how it earned that name. Its leaves are among the richest plant-based protein sources available. Around 100 grams of fresh moringa leaves provide close to 9 grams of protein, more than many other green vegetables. But what makes moringa truly unique is that it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it a complete protein, something very rare in plant foods. For older adults, this is extremely important. As your body becomes less efficient at using protein, moringa provides a stronger and clearer signal to help preserve and rebuild muscle. Beyond protein, moringa delivers iron to support energy, calcium to protect bones, and powerful antioxidants that reduce the chronic inflammation that slowly weakens muscles and joints. It works on multiple levels at the same time, supporting strength, mobility, and overall vitality. And it is surprisingly easy to use. The leaves can be cooked into soups or stews, sautéed with garlic, or dried and turned into powder to mix into smoothies or warm drinks. Even small amounts used consistently can begin to make a difference. For many seniors, moringa may be one of the most complete and effective plant-based supports for maintaining muscle after 60. Before we finish, let me remind you of something important. This information is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice, and it should never replace guidance from your doctor or a licensed healthcare professional. If you have medical conditions or take medications, always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet. Now let's bring everything together. From okra, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, kale, spinach, mushrooms, green peas, and finally moringa. You've just discovered 9 powerful vegetable-based allies that can support muscle strength, mobility, and independence as you age. Each one plays a different role. Some improve how your body absorbs nutrients. Others protect your muscles from inflammation, support your joints, or improve circulation and energy. But together, they form something much more powerful. A daily nutritional strategy to help your body stay strong and active over time. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these vegetables will you start adding to your meals this week? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who wants to stay strong and independent after 60. Your support truly makes a difference.